If you think the matriarchy is philosophy, you are wrong. If you think the matriarchy is an ideology, again, you're wrong. If you think the matriarchy is a community, you are wrong. If you think the matriarchy is women dominating men, again, you are wrong. You're thinking patriarchally. You're seeing the matriarchy from a patriarchal lens. And if you think the matriarchy is motherhood, again, you are wrong. So stay with me until the end of this video, because we're going to see what the matriarchy is, the real matriarchy is. So let's begin with the definitions. Let's see where the words come from. Both patriarchy and matriarchy have Greek origin, and they're complex words. And the key word here is the second word of the complex word, which is the word archy. So archy in ancient Greek means rulers. So when we're talking about the patriarchy, it's the ruling of the fathers, and matriarchy is the ruling of the mothers. But wait, because there's another interesting part. The word archy in Greek doesn't just mean rulers. It has another meaning. It has two meanings. It means the beginning. So the matriarchy is the beginning. The beginning of what, you may ask? The beginning of life creation. So let's go back to the original definitions. So in ancient times, both patriarchy and matriarchy existed. And in the beginning, they were used to describe family units only. So when we were talking about a patriarchy, we meant a family where a father leads. And a matriarchy was a family where the mother leads. As the years went by, the word patriarchy expanded beyond its roots, and it used to describe any system, not a family anymore, where a man, not a father anymore, leads. So the patriarchy became any system where a man leads. The matriarchy, on the other hand, never got the same chance to expand equally. And that's not by accident. The matriarchy remained confined in the domestic world or raising children. Even today, we see that. We see that on podcasts, interviews, people talking about the matriarchy today. And they are praising motherhood, which is wrong. And don't get me wrong, motherhood is indeed a major aspect of the matriarchy, but it's not what it is. Motherhood is sacred and honored and should be respected and protected in a matriarchal system, but that's not what the matriarchy is. Limiting a woman's role to motherhood only, that's patriarchal. And don't get me wrong, all these people that talk about the matriarchy today and refer to it as motherhood, they come from a good place. They have good intentions. They want to celebrate female independence and female empowerment, that women can do it all. And yes, women can do it all, but that doesn't mean that they should. That's patriarchy. That's what the patriarchy has created. See, the whole world is yours now, but nothing is removed from your plate. You still have to do it all by yourself and complain on about it. This is still patriarchal. So let's go back to the definitions. Like we said, the patriarchy expanded as a term beyond its roots. However, nowadays, it's not even that. It's not even a system where a man leads. It has become more subconscious. It is conditioning today because, let's be honest, you don't get to see the patriarchy that much today in your face, if you know what I mean. But it's in the innocent phrases, in the words, in this is how things are. The way we don't question things like this is how things have always been. It's subtle, it's more underground, it's subconscious. This is the patriarchy today. It's conditioning. But what we see is the results of the patriarchy. We see the results of this conditioning and what happens when you don't agree with those systems, when you don't fit in those boxes that the patriarchy has created for you. When you refuse to take part in this patriarchal system, you are labeled as the crazy one, as the angry one, as the uncontained woman. So let's go back to the matriarchy now. What is the matriarchy? If I had to describe it in one word, that would be structure. The matriarchy is the beginning. The matriarchy doesn't have to be imposed. It just exists. The matriarchy is the natural order of things. The patriarchy just reversed that. The patriarchy was imposed thousands of years ago, and most of the times in violent ways. The matriarchy doesn't need to be imposed because it is structure, it is authority and power. This is how things are in a matriarchy. In a matriarchy, women are prioritized. They are in the center. The smaller system where we can see the matriarchy is the family unit, a household, or even a relationship. Most relationships today favor the man, like everything needs to happen for the man. That's patriarchal. So the matriarchy says that the woman is always in the center. Her happiness and fulfillment is the household's priority. Everything happens for her. The man's role is important in a matriarchy, but it's purely supportive. He needs to support this woman to thrive in life. This is the priority, because if a woman is not happy, fulfilled, and content, the household, the structure, like we said, collapses. But most importantly, first and foremost, the matriarchy is a choice. It's a mindset shift. You get to choose to be matriarchal. Even if you were born in the most patriarchal family, the most patriarchal city, the most patriarchal world, there are no excuses. You get to choose the patriarchy every day. It's a daily conscious choice. There are no rules in the matriarchy for how to be. There's no right way to be a woman in a matriarchy. There's no right way to be a man in the matriarchy. There's only alignment and structure. If there is one rule in a matriarchy, it is the following. The only thing the matriarchy doesn't accept is self-betrayal. The moment you edit yourself as a woman to be acceptable, to be polite, out of fear of being labeled as angry, crazy, weird, or whatever, you lose your authority. You're not matriarchal. That's why the matriarchy is an individual, personal, daily choice. It is a decision. You get to choose to be matriarchal now. If you want to learn more about the matriarchy, make sure you follow me and check out my book, The Matriarchal Order, where I describe matriarchy as a system, as structure, authority, and power.